Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add all your Instagram following on threads at once. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open thread application. So once you open, you simply need to click on profile in the right bottom. So once you click on, you simply need to click on followers and click on following. And here you need to click on see all, and here you can see follow the same accounts you follow on Instagram. So in the bottom you can see an option of follow all. Click on that option, and here you can see you will start following those who are public on threads, and a request will be sent to those who are private. You will automatically follow others when they join threads. So then you simply need to click on confirm. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.